Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started.
My name, I identified myself as Deputy Frankie Dulio.
Oh, Frank.
Yeah.
Well, that's a cool name.
Thank you. What's your name?
X. Yep, that's me.
Yeah, yep, X.
Yep. The certified
Okay.
bank buster, greatest criminal mastermind in the past generation.
Wow, that's quite the
That's
title you
me,
got there.
X.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Guys, you're not gonna point weapons at any officers though.
Oh,
okay?
of course not.
We are going to be letting you guys loose, but we're taking your lockpick and we're going to impound on the car.
Oh.
Because it is being driven without the owner's permission. You
Oh,
know, you could
yeah,
be
that's
facing a charge, but we're
perfectly
just letting you
fine.
loose with a warning.
Real quick.
You know what? That lockpick's company property. I get a free one at work.
What does he work for? The casino?
Sometimes the bathroom stalls, they get stuck, so I have to, you know.
It's a...
Oh, so they'll just give you a new one?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
well,
yeah,
that's-
it'll be
that's
fine. It'll be
interesting.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good.
I'm
good,
fine
good,
with
good.
losing a lockpick.
Yeah, I would hope
That's
you're
like not even bad.
I hate to have to call
That-
Oh
them.
no,
Yeah,
it's only for
right.
work. It's just for work. I would never.
Picking vehicles or
Yeah,
anything.
stealing vehicles couldn't be me.
Yeah, I
that
know
would
what you're
never be
talking
him.
about. People like
Yeah.
lock the door in the bathroom.
Yeah, and then they
leave,
climb
close
over
it.
Yeah,
after
that's
they
why he has
poop, and then I
lockpicks.
gotta clean it, and I just have to lockpick it open. You know?
Oh man, that.
I don't know exactly where. Like, I think they said it's gonna be on the television. On the television. Can you believe that? Crazy, I tell you. So you'll watch it there. I'll be honest. How do I say this? I actually don't have, like, I mean, I don't know what channel. I haven't watched TV in like years. I don't know what channel it's on, but I don't have like cable television. So do I have to buy? Do I have to pay for that? NBC. You guys think I know what? I mean, look, I'm gonna have to delete the VOD. You guys think I know what an NBC is? I've heard of the NBA, but like, do I have to buy cable or can I just watch it? No way. Well, what channel? What do I have to pay money? I don't have cable. I don't have to pay money, do I? I got a water bill to pay. How funny would it be if we took his car? Oh. Hello, you want me to steal their car?
No, don't shut up. They want you to come back.
They want me to come back?
They want
Oh,
you to
how funny. Wait, how funny would it be if I drove their car down the dock?
You know?
That was a joke. That was a joke. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
I swear to fucking God, if you screw me here, I'm gonna fucking put you at the end of the dock, and I'm gonna drive you into the fucking ocean, okay?
What? Not the Kraken. Are they trying to sell you the handcuffs or?
That's what we're trying to find out. So just get here and watch. Please don't say a fucking word.
Oh, yeah. You got it. You got it. This is so weird. I don't know how much I'm supposed to say. I'll just say I got asked to play. I thought it was super cool. Honestly, the only thing I didn't like was that we didn't get to play a little more. But that's not a bad thing necessarily. All right. Will you ever do a cooking stream? Maybe. I do have like a small kitchen, but there's a lot of windows, so I'm like afraid of like leaking something. And also I don't have a setup for it, so I'd have to figure out a lot of stuff. I would though if I could. I just got to set up a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Russian, thanks for the sub. Curtains, yeah, I probably should do something like Ludwig maybe. I feel like Ludwig, he always knows what's happening. He really does, because he's been streaming for 3 or 4 weeks. Oh man. Hey guys.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Hey, dude.
You got the bag and everything. You're looking perfect.
You look like super fast now as well.
I'm not too good at that, but
What he likes to do on jobs is he likes to sound like Schmeagol or kind of like a little goblin.
oh, the precious. Uh-huh.
Yeah, exactly. Like
He'd be like, oh, but nothing, I don't have anything. He just tries to disguise his voice in goblin-esque ways, basically. I don't know how to explain it.
I look so different, there's no way they'll recognize me.
dude, let's go.
Oh, you're...
You and Ray were both wearing Corpses merch. All right, guys. So I'm not wearing it anymore because it was actually kind of hot, but I had to wear it. I had to wear it for Corpse, so I put it on anyway, even though it's a little warm today. So, yep. Like, it's not like hot.
And you Gucci.
You
got this, you know.
What?
You know.
Oh God.
We might need to go a little bit faster.
Yeah, good thing I'm not doing that part. I know a really good driver, but I don't know if she's around right now.
Riley?
Huh? No, she drives a lot though. She's UwUber.
The UwUber girl?
Yeah, she's great at driving. Listen, I robbed a house with her the other day, and I told her let's race to the house to see if she can outrun me. Is it a blue laptop?
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, I just thought I'd ask.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
How about you?
Oh, jeez.
You come back in 5 minutes.
Oh God.
Okay. Where were we?
Okay. How do you swim? Oh my God, I can't swim. Let's wear this
good
thing.
To see you back from your cruise ship. Want to rob a bank?
Yeah, you got it. Does this look good?
We're coming. Yuno is playing Barbie Dress Up.
Okay. Good enough for me. Let's keep the blue shoes. They look funny.
No, well, he's done doing Barbie Dress Up.
Oh,
We're getting
God.
in the car now and going.
Sorry for the wait.
On our way.
Hey, you got a new car.
No, same car, just painted black.
Oh, nice.
We make sure this is fully fixed, and we'll be good to go.
Look, guys, we're close
So,
enough.
X, how was your cruise ship, man?
What does he talk like? Yeah, it was.
Casino high rates of speed, yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
everyone.
what?
And then every time I ticket them, I'll
They would
say,
have
you
so
know,
much less
who's
money to go in there with.
Oh,
That's
Jesus.
true. We can
You're
go in there
crazed.
and-
You're crazed. This is something's wrong with you.
If only I heard a compliment like I'm the slightly better Claire.
But I don't know if I can say that, but you know, you do have very nice hair, and that rhymes with Claire.
Is it better than Claire's hair?
Oh,
I mean,
Jesus.
I'll call your boss. I mean, I can call your boss again if you want. I mean,
Jesus,
I
what
got
is
my-
this?
Call her
What's
and
wrong
tell
with
her
this
what
lady?
I got
driving.
Claire's boss on speed dial.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
We're good friends with Claire's boss.
Well, look, I just don't know you that well yet. You know, I
Oh.
can't. It's like my first
I
time
guess
meeting
he
you.
doesn't know us that well. I guess you know there's nothing more than
But
bonding
I mean,
with,
if you do
charges,
hang out
right?
with
'Cause then
Officer
we have to
Mac,
talk
then
'cause I
you
write
must
you
be
a
pretty
ticket.
cool, right?
I get your signature, you know, as I'm writing you a ticket. And,
Well,
that whole
signature.
deal. Yeah, because you'd have to sign
I'm
the
calling
ticket.
back up. Fuck
Like,
this. All right, hold on.
What? No, wait.
Yep. Yeah. Go over.
All right, let's sneak up. They'll never see us. Wait, where'd Dundee go? Hey, where'd you go?
They're giving you another chance. I
They
want
are?
you to
Where'd
come
you
back.
go?
I just.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm behind you.
If you fuck with me and my colleagues, I will end your life.
What is this?
Do you understand me?
Uh-huh. I definitely won't do any of that. Don't you worry.
Take off your helmet now.
Oh, okay. I will say I've never robbed a
And
bank
leave it
before,
off.
though, so, I don't know how this is gonna go. 'Cause we're getting out of here.
You would know who's robbing this bank or not?
What?
No clue who you guys are. to
Would
be
you
honest.
know?
Oh, my name's, X.
Would you know?
Your name
Yeah,
is X.
You ever
Okay.
met X? He looks exactly like
Yep.
me, because that's
yeah,
me.
That. I mean, I can't see your face, but
Oh,
I have seen him in those clothes. Yeah. Okay.
Officer, if I
Yeah,
take
it's
my
definitely-
mask
that's
off,
me.
Would you know who I am?
dude.
Probably, yeah.
I don't know how
His
to,
mask
I don't...
off, Would you know who he is?
He says that, right? I think... Let's see. Sykunno does drugs. I'm gonna have to come clean, guys. I did take some allergy medicine last week. I was, my eyes were a little watery. I was sneezing a little. I took some allergy medicine, and I have to be even more honest. I bought the generic brand because it saved me $2. So, yep. What can I say? I bought the generic brand. It saved me a couple bucks, and that's really all I can say. I had some allergies. Anyway, Kelsey and Vuitton and Sleepy, thanks for the subs.
If anything is told to anybody, I will kill you and your friend.
Oh, like anything or like the deal kind of.
And you open your mouth about anything. Do you understand?
Oh jeez. Yeah, nothing at all.
Listen to him.
Oh jeez.
You ruined the biggest opportunity in my life. I'll ruin you.
Well, I just wanted to make sure I understood so I could follow the instructions correctly.
You will die.